I'm taking jerk chicken, fresh pineapple, and mango salsa and turning it into a full island feast on the Blackstone. You're not going to want to miss this one. Come on, let me show you. First thing we're doing is seasoning the chicken. We got chicken pieces in the bowl and I'm covering them with jerk chicken seasoning. Make sure it's a good coating all around. Mix everything really well so every piece gets a good seasoning. Set that aside while we work on our pineapple. Now grab a whole pineapple and cut straight down the middle, keeping both halves because we're going to use that as serving bowls. Once it's split, take a spoon and hollow out the inside. Go slow, don't break the sides. Set the empty pineapple halves aside and save the fruit because we're going to use it for the salsa. Fun fact, if you want your pineapple nice and juicy, store it upside down as soon as you get it home from the store. Those juices will settle in at the top. Next, let's make the mango salsa by cutting up some fresh mangoes into cubes. Add some diced red onions, not too much, just enough for just that right bite. Chop up some of that pineapple that we scraped out from earlier and toss that into the bowl too. Squeeze 2 limes right over the top for brightness. And finally, sprinkle in some chopped cilantro and give that whole thing a good mix. This salsa is sweet and tangy and perfect for jerk chicken. Let's set this aside. Now we head to the griddle. Lay down your marinated jerk chicken. Man, listen to that sizzle. Right next to it, place both pineapple halves cut side down. You want them to caramelize and warmed up. Let the chicken cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, flipping it back and forth so the seasoning gets nice and dark, creating that perfect crust. Once the chicken is cooked through, pull it off the griddle and let it rest for a minute. Then slice it into bite-sized pieces. The outside has a smoky jerk flavor and the inside is so juicy. Now it's time to build. Take one of the pineapple halves and start with the scoop of white rice at the bottom. Add a generous layer of that diced jerk chicken. Then scoop on that fresh mango pineapple salsa. We want every bite to have that sweet and that heat. Let's finish this off with a little drizzle of sauce. You can use jerk sauce, sweet chili, or even spicy mayo if you're feeling that creamy kick. And that's it. Beautiful pineapple boat filled with jerk chicken, mango salsa, and rice. It smells incredible and tastes even better. Just look at all this flavor. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Cheers. The heat with the fruit salad, with the mango fruit, is so good. It ties everything together. So good. If you like this and you want to see more, hit that subscribe and let's go.